That's the Eiffel Tower. That's probably something relevant. I'll Google it because I don't know right now. Okay, so today, okay, we're in Paris. Okay, we're in Paris here. Okay, there's no Eiffel Tower, so don't expect an Eiffel Tower, okay? But we're in, okay, I'll just explain later when we're not. Wow, it's a great day to be alive.
So
we're in Mason's outfit.
So, hello guys.
Can I explain?
Welcome to my vlog. It's so beautiful.
Okay. We're in Mason's outfit right outside of France. Today we're gonna go into France with some public transportation. And
so what? Me picking my belly button and screeching?
Like, do you think they like? What do you think they think?
Yesterday we were here too, but we did like stuff that was more, I don't know, I didn't vlog it. But it was pretty. We rode a boat. If they're talking, you're not going to be able to hear me probably, but you know, it's okay.
Zora, shut up.
Just saying.
Hit me.
Stop cursing.
Brother, get me. Hey, my brother.
Brother, get me.
Somebody has to clean up, and I think it should be James because he never cleans up.
I cleaned yesterday.
No, you didn't. That's a lie.
I didn't say clean. I cooked yesterday.
We're going to Paris now. That's all. Wait. It's a roller. Oh wow, that's fancy, but you're gonna need some hand sanitizer. No stoplights, and that we don't know how to cross the street because there's no other people. That's the Arc de Triomphe. You literally just asked me. There's a crosswalk right there. Maybe that. But we're like really confused at the traffic situation.
We're in the middle of the street.
And it's like people take pictures because like we're in the Arc, and it's not really that scary. I thought it'd be scary to be in the middle of the street, but like lots of people are doing it. So like, see what other people do.
I'm like 99% sure you're gonna have to talk louder.
We're in the middle of the street.
We're going downstairs to get to it. Like I said about the traffic, it's a big circle, and I don't see any people crossing the street. So you're like, what do we do, right?
And there's no traffic lanes.
There's no lights.
And basically the only rule is yield to the right.
And so we are going downstairs because we are really good at being tourists. We just ate a little lunch in a park that's not really a park, just sand on the ground and open space. But call it what you want. The light's red. I don't know what James is pressuring me right now.
I don't think he's pressuring you. I think he's just faster.
No, he turned back. There's people. There's a lot of people. It doesn't matter. They're never gonna see me again. It's still embarrassing. So basically my friends got on that, and you think I'm never ever in my life doing a Ferris wheel. So if you want to date me, just for anybody who wants to date me who's watching this, don't take me on a Ferris wheel because I'll cry the entire time. They're on the Ferris wheel and I'm terrified of my life. Like I can walk up stuff, but okay, I'll explain. I can walk up stuff, but I can't like, wow, that thing is going fast. But I can't like be moving at like a height that's going. It just makes me freak out because it's shaking. I don't feel stable. I need to feel stability, and if I don't, then it's a no-go for me. Yeah, these people are watching. It's okay. I'm gonna go to the top of the Eiffel Tower and stuff, but I will in the Arc de Triomphe, but I will not be going on a Ferris wheel. So, how was it? How many times you go around?
Twice.
I'm gonna burn.
Let me talk. It was very nice.
Let me talk.
James had a breeze on his leg and it was very chilly. But we got to see a lot.
Slight breeze.
And there's a lot of stuff. It's very packed together. And Paris is big. And that looks really pretty and massive.
This is Richtung Eiffel Tower, and this is Richtung.
I am aware.
Wait, no, I'm not saying which arm it is. I'm mixing.
We're gonna walk this way because Nelly thinks it's pretty, then we'll go this way.
Okay.
So get
I don't know
ready.
what that means.
1, 2, make 2 movements.
1, 2. How much you win?
I don't know.
You know.
Is this going?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're at the Eiffel Tower.
Shut up! Hurry up! Oh my
We're
god!
taking pictures.
My knees are gonna buckle.
Woo! Wait, can you jump? Do the jump thing. Jump.
I can't
So I can
jump.
pull up. Jump. You're. Ow! Ow! We just
Lean
take
my
like
back.
5 billion pictures and times 500.
Whoa,
and
whoa. I feel lightheaded.
where's my phone? What a place.
What a
That was a lot of work. He got on my back and I did not complain that much. So we really tried to do the thing where I got on his shoulders, but he's weak,
I'm not a big
so
boy.
he can't do that.
How much you weigh?
And-
How much you weigh?
Hey,
I'm
what'd
not
you just
saying
say?
that. It doesn't matter.
James,
I've
what
gotten
did you say?
better.
What did you just say?
He's not a big boy. He's not a big
Can
boy.
you say it for the camera?
Can I say what for the camera?
Without your consent,
I'm not a big boy.
I want to get on his neck because that would be really cool, but he's weak and I can't get him on mine. We're really high on sugar and we only didn't even eat sugar. So that made a lot of sense.
Wait, first shot.
Yes, wait, okay. Boom.
Not jumping like.
We heard that like people will try to pickpocket you and like
By,
they'll be
like,
like,
getting
put your finger in here, fist bump me, and their other friend when you fist bump them, they go in your pocket. And we were like, no, thank you. He was like, no, it's okay. And we were like, no. He was like, I want to show you how to make a friendship bracelet.
He's
We're
like,
like,
give me your finger.
like
We're not friends.
because
And he wouldn't let her go. Like she's like, no, thank you. He's like, no, really, I'm just trying to show you how to make a friendship
but we're
bracelet.
not
No
even
feelings.
friends.
But then
Like,
it was a
I
little
just
fishy
don't
because we've never met him before.
He was still a nice
So
guy.
why would he want to make a friendship bracelet?
Stop,
Reaction.
James.
What? It's just natural.
Move. Stay still.
There's a new.
YMCA. She got her coat off.
Keep your feet on the
Nelly, she's
ground.
sticking her-
3, 2, 1, go.
It's fun to stay at the YMCA. He'll click it.
Enough.
He'll click it.
What's happening? It's just going.
He's taking creative license.
That was my interpretive dance.
Yours is smaller than mine's small.
Cheers.
I got a backpack and a small one.
You like it?
You could do this and then put stupid.
That's solid.
You like it? Texture's not weird? Wait. Oh, wait. Not bad. Whoa.
Good yet.
Yeah? Really?
Yeah.
Can I stop it?
Yeah. It looks like how it looks in the pictures now. No, Nelly, that's not how it works.
Hey, look, our guy's waiting for us.
It lights up every hour on the hour like Blitzers. It's always gonna be like that.
Blitzers. Blitzer and prancing.
Can you stop so I can make a vlog?
What's a blitzer?
Can you stop so I can make a
It's a
vlog?
reindeer.
We I ate escargot. All of us ate escargot. I hate that I said it like that. Ow, my hiccups are back. I've been escargot. Ow, James, you made my hiccups come back. I've had hiccups for like all of the hours of today. Ow. Stop. I've had hiccups 5 times today, and this is the 5th time. I don't like Hiccups anymore. Nobody likes Hiccups. Anyway. Keep laughing at me. I'm not drunk, Mom, I promise. We just enjoy each other's company. We got 2 cool French meals. We got crepes for dessert. We're back at the Eiffel Tower. We were sitting here for like an hour. But the light's good right here. It may not even be. I don't even know. I'll walk. Oh, it's about to light up. They're running. Comment below on ways to make Hiccups go away. Our seat's still here from earlier.
Now I understand.
Right now, yeah.
Part 2.
And they did it long enough for me to do it on my phone and my camera.
See it in my glasses. Wow. Wow.
You really can. That's really cool.
That is so beautiful. Wow, I've never seen anything like this before.
James.
That is actually very genuine. I've never seen anything like this before. It's literally the Eiffel Tower.
A metal tower, like 2,000 meters high, blitzing.
Like an hour ago, it was rusting brown, but now it has blitzers. And I think that's weird.
I think it just shows like the American dream.
Started from the bottom, rusted brown. Now he's here, blitzing.
We're prepping for a photo shoot, and go, 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 go!
Come on, give me the phone. Oh, I'm going first? Okay.
The light's red, the light's red, the light's red! The light's red, the light's red!
One more time. One more time. We haven't had one.
There's the Eiffel. So the goal is to get this crowded street with the Eiffel in the background. And so it's like a photo with, I'm just going to narrate it all. Alright.
We're only doing me. Because I gave you good ones.
Mine were ugly.
I squatted.
No, mine was
great.
Street.
Yeah, if you squat or not.
There's Ivy.
Yeah, you want to go like this?
When asked in an interview why she lights up, she replied, I feel pretty. Oh, they're going round two, let's go. Splash, splash, suck, 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 suck. 1, 2, 3, glamour. All right, quick. Oh, it's red, Fred. Uh-oh, she hates him, It's going down.